Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for stopping by the channel. So in this video, we're going to be checking out this Breitling Endurance Pro. This is the watch that accompanied me on my recently completed 5K run that was part of the Toronto Waterfront Marathon. My wife is actually completing the full marathon as we speak, so I really wish her luck. It's starting to rain here and it's about like 8 degrees Celsius. Gotta love that Canadian weather. But this Breitling is actually very well suited for a lot of sports activities. For one, it's made of the Breitling composite material, so the case is very scratch resistant and light. I think it only weighs in at 40 grams for just the watch head, even though it's about a 44 millimeter diameter timepiece. Additionally, it has a compass bezel to give you some orientation while you're out in doing some sporting activities. And it's got a pulsation scale too, which can be easily registered using the main chronograph seconds hand. So I'm just gonna throw up some of the B-roll of me actually completing the 5K. Let me know what you guys think about this particular watch as well. I gotta say, given the proportions, it's very legible, and being lightweight, it did really disappear on the wrist. I also appreciate the 100 meters of water resistance because it was raining today. So that's my quick overview for this watch, and I'll share some of the clips of my run right now.